Assalamualaikum. Hi friends, how are you? For making the sunflower, first of all we will make a magic ring, and after making a magic ring we will make total of 16 triple crochet pattern in this magic ring. To make triple crochet, first of all we will wrap the thread twice over the hook like you can see, and then enter the hook in the magic ring, pick the thread and again pick the thread, pass it from the two of the loops, then pick the thread, pass it from the two of the loops, then pick the thread and pass it from remaining of the two of the loops. This was the triple crochet pattern, and we will make total of 16 triple crochet in this magic ring. And you can see, you must be assuming that my triple crochet pattern is not much visible. The reason behind this is that the color of a thread I'm using is a dark brown, that's why it's not visible. Sorry for that. Actually we are working on making the crochet sunflower pattern, so for that the color which is required for sunflower is dark brown, that's why it's not visible, so pardon me. And the other reason is that the thread is not very thick, that's the reason also, so pardon me for that. Well, now I have just pulled the one end of a thread and make a total of 16 triple crochet, and then at the end of 16 triple crochet I have make a slip stitch, and then now I make one chain, and now I am making single crochet pattern. If you don't know how to make single crochet pattern, I will give you a link on the top right corner of the screen. You must be watching a link, please click over there if you want to learn a single crochet pattern. So in the second row we will follow the single crochet pattern, and our second row is complete, and now we will introduce a new color. That's how we will introduce a new color, that's a yellow, to make the petal of a sunflower plant. After introducing a new color, first of all we will make total of 2 chains, and then we will make a double crochet pattern in the first chain, and that's how you're watching that how to make a double crochet pattern. And now we will pick a thread and pass it from remaining of the 2 loops, and now in the same chain we will follow a triple crochet pattern. First we have made a double crochet pattern, then triple crochet pattern. After making this triple crochet pattern, now we will make 2 chains like you can see, and enter our hook at the last loop of a triple crochet and make a slip knot, and again we will make a triple crochet pattern into the same chain. And that's how you are watching that how to make a triple crochet pattern. And again we will make a double crochet pattern in the same chain. Okay, after making a double crochet pattern we will make a slip knot in the same chain. Okay, please mind it that all of these pattern will be done in the same chain. Okay, after then again like you can see this is a slip knot, and after making a slip knot we will make 2 chain again, then we will follow a double crochet pattern in the next chain, then triple crochet, then 2 chains, and then a slip knot into the very last loop of a triple crochet, and then we make a slip knot and make the 2 chains, and then make a slip knot to give a curved peak to a petal. That's why we follow 2 chain and 1 slip knot pattern. And after making a triple crochet pattern and 2 chains and a slip knot, we make again 1 triple crochet and then 1 double crochet and then the slip knot in the same chain. That's how our petal will complete. If you find any query regarding the video, please comment below in the comment section. I will surely guide. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share it. After the end of a flower making, we will just cut down the working yarn and then fix the both end of a yarn with the help of a needle. Like we will fix the end of a yellow thread as well as the end of a brown thread. We will hide both of these threads and then our flower will be ready.